Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Run Andy Run, and this is a part of my little project that I have started, and I've just taken delivery of these straight from AliExpress to Australia. Before I go on, please subscribe right here. Here, just hit the button. Hit the button right there. It's a little red button. Just says subscribe, just hit it, thank you. Alright, so just took delivery of these. And I did say that I was going to give you the prices and everything. So this here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 50 tray for seedlings and cuttings. And this lot of 10 here was $15. And I've got another one here. Look at these babies. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 by 16, which is what? 8 by 16, 80, 48, 128. 128? 128, and there's 10 of them. And this lot costs $21. So for 10, it's $21. This is 10 for $15 from AliExpress, and they arrived really quickly, so they must have had some Australian stock. I will put the links in the description underneath, so I don't know why I'm pointing. You know where the description is. You're watching YouTube videos. Could be to the side or could be underneath. Anyway, I am going to put the links to these products on AliExpress. You will need to purchase these if you are going to set up your own cuttings or seedlings, because it's an easy way to do it. Cheap, easy way to get your seeds in there, or your cuttings or whatever, and to propagate. Okay, so a quick word. So the last set I've got, the one in my previous video that I was showing you, they cost $15 for one tray. These are $1.50 for one tray. Okay, and the difference is, of course there's going to be a difference, is that this is a much thinner piece of plastic, and that one's already broken. But anyway, they're very cheap, like a lot cheaper. And yeah, but they still seem okay. We'll see how we go. So yes, my wife did just point out that Greta would not be happy with this, but we're making plants, Greta. We're making plants. It's okay. Like, it's for the ultimate good. Anyway, so a little update. There you go. So I'm going to now fill these up and put in some cuttings, and hopefully we'll I'll have some things to report to you. So there you go. All right. Anyway, if you've got any questions, comments, please put them below, and please remember, little button down there, it doesn't cost you 1 single cent just to hit that little button. It's just there. Please push that button. Push the button. I need the money. Push the button. Okay.